When we think about focus, it also influences how we focus on other people. What do we think about these other people? When you're walking by somebody in the hallway, when you're walking down the street and you see someone, what are those initial thoughts, that initial focus that you have? We develop a certain sense based on various different influences over our life, and we start focusing on certain things. The key here is that if we can switch our focus and looking at everybody as if they have a spark of greatness. Now, my belief is that everybody has a spark of greatness, something great inside of them. And for some reason, some people find this and others don't. The question is, can you be the one that ignites the spark of greatness inside of somebody? As a role as a leader or a colleague or somebody in your office, or maybe it's working with your children, it's your job to go on a mining expedition to find that spark of greatness and then ignite it. We all have it inside of us, and we do this through our interactions. So we need to focus on people as if they have a spark of greatness, and then use our interactions, focus on our interactions such that we can find out what that spark of greatness is, and then ignite that so that they can then pursue their potential at work and at home.